Most tire shops are busy. Cars lined up, phones ringing, non-stop work. But here's the truth. Many of them are barely making money. Busy doesn't mean profitable, and that mistake is costing owners every single day. In this episode, you'll see why some shops stay stuck despite high volume and how smart ones turn the same workload into real profit. Stay with this, because one shift can change everything. This matters because effort alone doesn't pay bills, profit does. And most owners confuse movement with progress. Here's where most people mess up. They chase volume. More cars, more jobs, more chaos. But they undercharge, rush jobs, and accept low-margin work. Result? Exhaustion without reward. Think about this. Have you ever had a full day, yet felt like nothing was earned? Profitable shops play a different game. First, they protect margins. They don't compete on price, they compete on value. Because turnover without margin is useless. Second, they increase average job value. Not just tires alignment, upgrades, bundles. Small adds per job compound fast. Here's something no one talks about. Labor waste. Poor workflow kills profit silently. Smart shops fix movement, timing, and structure. Third, repeat customers. Chasing new people daily is draining. Loyalty builds stability. And the big one, systems, not chaos. Systems create consistency, and consistency builds profit. Ask yourself, are you running a system or just reacting all day? Action steps: stop underpricing, add services to every job, track labor efficiency, and build repeat customer habits. Don't skip this part. Measure profit, not activity. At the end of the day, a full workshop means nothing if margins are weak. Real success comes from smarter operations, stronger margins, and better systems. If you want clear, practical business strategies like this, subscribe and stay connected. If you run a tire shop, garage, or mobile tire fitting van, and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tires aren't available, TyreRoom is a trade-only tire wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app with budget, mid-range, and premium tires all in one place. Plus, fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tire businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages, trusted by traders.